Morning all, once again, welcome to Experience Epiphany. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mixture using vegetables, that's ugu leaf, pumpkin leaf, 2 lemon, an apple, 4 turmeric roots or 4 turmeric knobs, and 1 ginger knob, or 4 turmeric roots rather, and 1 ginger knob. This recipe is good for fibroid fighting, or it fights fibroids and also shrinks fibroids. So we'll be using 2 cups of the pumpkin leaf, that's the ugu leaf. Here is everything in the blender. I'm about to blend it. I'll show you when I'm done. Here is the finished product. It's really looking yummy. Very green drink that shrinks fibroids and fights fibroid. Thank you for watching.